What's up, YouTube? It's Daniel back with another video. Welcome back to Horology Slop. Today, we're opening up another Casio. I'm excited. I love Casio. Y'all may or may not know this. I don't think you know this yet because, again, this channel's so new. I have several Casio watches. I love Casio. Obviously, the channel's sort of aimed towards affordable watches, though once in a while we will have expensive watches on here. And keep in mind, everything that I do show on this channel is either going into my personal collection or is from my personal collection. So keep that in mind. Today, we're opening up the W218H. Now, I will say I currently have the W217H on a new strap I bought today and put on today, this afternoon actually. Love this watch. Very simple, very affordable, very reliable, and very retro looking. Love it all. So this is the big brother of the 217H, the W217H, I should say. So again, W217H, we're opening up the W218H, which there it is on the sticker there on the side. So anyway, here we go. 3, 2, 1. And this watch is available in several different colors, but this is what Walmart had, $21. Actually, I think I paid $19. I think it was actually cheaper than that price right there, but yeah. You can find these all over Amazon, all over Walmart, maybe even Target as well. So, whatever is more convenient for you. If you're interested, definitely recommend there. If I can find this on Amazon, I will link it below. And looks like I'm gonna need a knife real quick. So let me grab that real quick. I say real quick twice. Here we go. Actually have a knife on me. Well, box cutter, but close enough. I don't want to cut the band because unlike the W20 or unlike the W217, I will not be replacing the band on this one because I actually like this band. Assuming I don't mess it up trying to get this zip tie off. Very nice. All right. Set that off to the side. Let's get an actual look at the watch. Yeah, look at that. That's very nice. Is the time already set? Yeah, look at that. That means somebody probably messed with this at Walmart before I got it, but no big deal. Let's see if we got some. Yeah, backlight. It's about the same as the 217. Also lights up orange. Hard to see in this light box, but yeah. Very cool. So as you can see, and I meant to bring it down here, I forgot. It's very similar to Square G-Shock. I have the G-Shock, I believe it's the D5600, that looks almost identical to this. This is like its baby brother. So it's the older brother of the 217H, but a baby brother of the D5600W, I believe, is the full model number of that one, which I have as a video on this channel as well. So yeah, let me go ahead and take off the W217H, which again, put a new strap on it today. It's a Velcro strap. I just prefer it over the plastic, the rubber strap that the W217H comes with. I'm a Velcro guy, very much a Velcro guy. I have several watches with Velcro straps these days. Just, it's more comfortable. I like the way they feel better. I like the way it fits better, you know, so that's just me. You can find a Velcro watch band strap for like $8 on Amazon all day long. And so I probably have bought 10 of these at least. So the fact that this one already comes with a Velcro strap from Casio means I'm not going to have to, I don't need to buy a strap for this one. It already comes with one I like. So let's, I'm going to put it on behind the camera so I can see a little bit better. And then I will show you guys the end result. Oh yeah, this is actually really nice. Before I put it on, I do want to show this. I don't know if you can see it on this camera, but it says, oh, maybe if I had it on the right side. Still though, it's kind of hard to see, but it says Casio China. So it's a Casio branded strap. Okay, now to put it actually on my wrist. Yeah, this wrist you kind of have to hold against you. Sorry, did I say this wrist? That meant this strap. You kind of have to hold against you. Just because of the way it's made. There we go. It's on. It actually says Casio right there on the end of the strap as well. I do like the color. It's very military colored. So, pretty cool. Yeah, the W218H. It's definitely the baby brother of the Square G-Shock, but it's definitely the older brother of the W217H. So, very cool. Still has the same alarm function, time, date, year, month, day, all that. Same settings as the 217H. So, there you guys go. Thank you all so much for watching. More to come. Stay tuned. And I'll see you all in the next one. Again, let's compare the two. 217H and the new 218H that I just got. Thank you all so much for watching. More to come. See you all in the next video. Peace.